Hello, this is Akim again, and this time we're going to be doing roaming profiles. Now, a roaming profile basically, as it says in name, is a profile that roams with the user, no matter which computer they log into. Okay, it's a basic folder that is on the server, which the user can log into from anywhere within the network, hence the name roaming. So how we set this up is that first we choose the user that we're going to make the roaming profile for. So first things first, we have Stevie here. Now Stevie here is an employee for a company, and that requires him to move a lot. So he has to make sure that wherever he goes, his information is available no matter what. So he needs a roaming profile. Okay. So what we're going to do inside the roaming profile. So the first thing we do is that we go and start my computer and look at this. Okay, and you create a file called profile, a folder called profiles. Alright, I see mine is here already. So profiles. What we do when we make this folder called profiles is that we right click and we go into properties, we share the file, sharing, advanced sharing, permissions. Okay, and for not necessarily administrator always has full control, but for authenticated users and for everyone, we give authenticated users full control, and for everyone we give them the ability to change and to read. Okay, make sure that is set up. So I change all that. Click OK. Okay, and the next thing is that we create a roaming path for the user. So we go back into Active Directory users and computers by Start, Admin Tools, Active Directory users and computers. Okay, go from there, and we go to our user, who is of course Stevie Ray, and we go to Profile, and we create the profile path. Now the profile path basically gives the path for where the client computer to look for the profile folder for the user. Okay, and how we do that is basically / host name, which is Akim, another / the name of the sharing folder, which is profiles, another / and the profile folder name for the user, which we just put as just SRV. Okay. Alright, and when you have all that in order, click OK. Alright, and now to make sure that works is that basically you take two clients from one network and you log in. Well, one has to be log in with the user credentials and change something like, I don't know, a folder or a file, change some data in a file. And mostly like when you log on through another client on your network, it should be changed. You should be able to see the data which was changed or modified. Okay, so that's what we're going to do now. So we'll go to the client now. Okay, and we are here at one of the client computers that we are going to use for the roaming profile. So now I'm going to log in. Okay, not this computer, but domain name. Okay, put in our password. Wait for this to come up. Alright, now as you see here, nothing on the screen. Alright, so go into properties, and to prove that this is two different computers, we're going to change the background. Okay, so the background is different on the other computer. So let's create a new WordPad document, and we'll name that Steve. Okay, and let's say and Steve, he does his work and he says, my name is Stevie Ray. Okay, save that. he's done here, so he logs off. Log off. Alright, and then we go to another computer. Okay, so now we're at the second client computer. Let's say like client number 1 was in Port of Spain. Let's say now we're in Shoguana's. We're in Shoguana's computer on the network, and now Steve is going to log in to his computer to do some editing. So we log in. Same credentials, same domain, same credentials. Okay, and as you can see, different background, and on the desktop you should be able to see, there it is. You should be able to see text file Steve. Okay, so now we open Steve and let's edit it a little bit. My name is Steve Rayvon, and I am a seriously overrated guitarist and alcoholic. Okay, not alcoholic. Okay, so we have that there, and we save that. Alright, and to prove that it is, to give you more proof, you'll just go back to another client computer, and we'll edit it again. So we say change to Steve. Yes, we'll save the changes. We'll log off, and we'll log back on to another computer on the network. Okay. Okay, we're at another location, and let's say like this is, I don't know, St. Margaret's. Yeah, let's say that's St. Margaret's, Taxonby. Alright, and now he's going to log back in again and do some more editing to his document. So we log back in, same domain, same credentials, and we have liftoff. Alright, and as you can see here, Steve is here. Let's do some more editing. Alcoholic. And I hate my pilot. Okay, and that's basically a roaming profile. Roaming profile allows you to carry your work to wherever you go within the network, so you can log on to any computer in the network and still see your work. And that's basically about it. So thank you all for listening.